Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm really excited because I had a company contact me and they know tons of you resellers watch my videos. And so they want to offer one of you guys $300 of free product. This company is called OEM Experts. And so I'm going to give you the details coming up. Okay, so I'm super excited to be able to offer you guys $300 of free product. It's from OEM Experts. If you haven't seen my first unboxing video, they sent me some of their lower priced items. It's not low-end product, but it's lower in price. And so check out that video. I'll try to tag it at the top, and then I'll also put it at the end of this video. I'm getting ready to do a second unboxing of a little bit higher end products from them. And so check that out. I'm probably gonna put that out in about 3 or 4 days, so be aware of that. And as soon as it's put out, I'll tag it at the end of the video. But you guys are here to hear about the $300 of free products, okay? So this is for my reseller crowd. I want to give you the details about it. So basically the rules are, in order to win the $300 of product for free, the rules are that you have to sign up at oemexperts.com/contact us. I'm going to put the link down in the bottom of the description, but I'll also flash it across the screen for you as well. So it's www.oemexperts.com/contact us. You also have to like them on Facebook, and so that's at facebook.com/OEM Experts. OEM Experts. Follow them on Instagram, and so it's instagram.com/OEM Experts, and subscribe to their YouTube channel, which is OEM Experts/videos. And then when you sign up on OEMexperts.com, make sure you put in the referral code, my referral code, which is PickOem. So PickOem. If you do those 3 things, you also have to mention them in a Facebook post, preferably inside of an eBay group, okay? I know it sounds like a lot of things to do, but it's $300 worth of product, and so you definitely want to do it. There's no purchase required, but you have to be a verified reseller. So they need to know that you have an Amazon account, eBay account, Poshmark, Craigslist, all that stuff. So they need to know that. So what they're going to do is that they're going to verify to me that you have met all the requirements, and in 30 days, I get to pick the winner. And so today is the day that this video is going out is June 13th. And so my plan is on July 13th. I plan on putting the video out as who is the winner of the OEM Experts promotional contest of $300 worth of free product. So I'm really excited to be able to offer this to you guys, because I've had a lot of you guys say it's really difficult to get started and I don't really have the cash flow and things like that. Wouldn't you like just $300 for free? Absolutely. And so a lot of times that $300 is going to turn into more money. And so make sure you enter this contest. It's not that hard to do. All you got to do is sign up on their website. So remember, you got to sign up on OEMexperts.com. Make sure you used my referral code, which is PickOem. Let them know you came from Hooked on Pickin, and then you have to like them on Facebook, follow them on Instagram, and then subscribe to their YouTube channel, which is not hard to do. And then make sure you mention them in some sort of a Facebook comment, Facebook group, or an eBay group on Facebook. So those are the only things that you need to do, and make sure you watch out for my second unboxing from them. I'm really excited to see what's in the box, and I will put that in out in about 3 or 4 days. So look for it around Thursday or Friday, probably the 15th or 16th, okay? So I'm gonna put that unboxing video out to show you a little bit higher end product. We're kind of doing a stair step. So I bought kind of the inexpensive level. It's not an inexpensive product, but it's inexpensive, sorry, I can't talk, as far as the cost to me. And then we're going up kind of level by level. So I'm kind of stepping in slowly and building a little bit of anticipation, but I've been really excited about what I've gotten from them so far. So, and remember to check out that first unboxing video if you're interested in what's there. And I've had really good luck selling those things online already. And so I'm really excited about getting the second box and seeing how much money I can make from this. So just remember to sign up on those things. I will put all the details for the rules down in the bottom. Make sure you sign up. $300 of free product. I can't wait to see who wins. All right. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. So the rules are that the customer needs to sign up at oemexperts.com/contact us, like them on Facebook at facebook.com/OEM Experts, follow them on Instagram at instagram.com/OEM Experts, and subscribe to their YouTube channel. Don't forget to use a referral code PickOem. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.